Welcome back to another episode, and today we're in Lake's Entrance. We've just driven for 200 miles from Cowes to Wilson's Prom, which is a national park which is closed because it's containing a bushfire, which is a little bit upsetting. So now we've driven to the next location, which is Lake's Entrance, which is absolutely amazing. Wouldn't you say so?
Yeah, it's really pretty.
It's very lakey. We've got a lot of there's a lot of birds, there's a lot of wildlife, there's a seal colony. The campsite we're at is a little bit yeah, but you know, we're only going to stay the one night and just move on tomorrow. So we're here in Lake's Entrance, and the sun is bright orange. You probably won't be able to pick this up. And we're just admiring the wildlife, so here we go. Ah yes, I almost forgot to say, Chloe's got an Australian SIM card, which means you've got an Australian phone number, right?
Yeah.
So now Chloe's got the internet and an Australian number. Woo! So there's just like someone's hoodies and flip-flops and hoodie and hat just on this beach, and there's literally no one for miles. And I literally said about, what, 3 minutes ago, that the sea looks like it's the type of sea that if you go in it, you ain't coming back. Scary times.
I hope they just forgot and they're not dead.
Yeah, hopefully. So this is Main Beach. This is Main Beach, which is opposite our campsite at the moment. And as Chloe would say, it is vast.
It's very vast.
It is vast.
There is no other way to describe this. It's huge. So we're just about to start a walk. It's about a 2-hour round trip to see the seals at the end of like a little spit of land. Apparently there's a bunch of seals.
Look what I just found.
A shark tooth necklace. This is the walk we're doing. Apparently seals are here and we are here.
That's a pretty long walk.
It's a long walk. Down this little track. Let's go.
We are still walking through this, on this spit of land, through sand, dirt and gravel, trying to get to the entrance, as so it's called, which is where the sea lions are.
No.
Sea lions?
Seals.
Seals.
We've been walking for 1.9 kilometers in sand, and that hurts the muscles.
400 meters to go.
Dan's gonna go in the dunny in the outback. What's it like in there? Oh, it's not bad.
It's dark.
Just check for the spiders.
Oh my god.
What is it?
It's just a hole.
Yeah, I thought so. Bye. Be careful. We've been walking a long time. All to see some damn seals. And this is what the end looks like. Any seals? I don't know. Or are they birds? Ah! I saw one!
Yeah?
Ah!
Oh wow.
Honey! It's so pretty! Oh no!
Whoa. There's got to be loads over there, but surely.
Oh, crabs are so pretty.
So we are coming away from the seals. It's thunder and lightning, and we've got a long walk back, so time to get some food, stock up, and I'm guessing we're going to drive to our next location, yeah? See you on the other side.